Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a BMW 1 Series here on a 2016 plate. As you can see, the indicator here, the hazard lights are on. The indicator here is working, that one's working, rear's working. This one here isn't working. You can see that there is working. The only issue you got on here, you can't get to the bulb from this angle on either side. Now to do it, it's always best to jack the car up. And it's on the inside here, you've got to remove this cover. All you need is a flat screwdriver. You wedge your screwdriver in and then clip down. Sorry, yeah, you didn't see that one, but I'll show you this one. Right, wedge your screwdriver in. It can never be easy. Need a bit of a force. That's it. Once you've done that, all you then do is remove this cover, and we just need to locate the bulb now. So that's basically the bulb holder right there for the direction indicator. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove the bulb holder in a sec. Right, all I do is twist that to my left, get the bulb holder out, and basically this is what needs replacing. There's the bulb we're replacing. Now for some reason this bulb does look good. As you can see on the inside there, the filaments are intact. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to still change the bulb anyway. Now once the bulb is replaced, and if it still doesn't work, then what we got is we got a problem. Maybe it's a fuse, maybe it's the holder itself that's got a problem, but I can't see anything wrong with the holder itself. Now it is a 581 bulb. The pins you can see on the side slightly angled. So 581 direction indicator bulb. If you did want one, there'll be a link for it in the description, and you can get one from there. Just going to replace the bulb. I've got a new one fitted now. So just remember how you slot it in as well. So you've got this little locator here, you've got that bit there and that bit there. So if you look on the inside, that locator there is this, and then you just gotta, once you got that lined up, it should all be good. So let's just slot the bulb hole in. That's it, and then twist that to our right. So you undo it, twist it to your left, so anti-clockwise, and then to lock it in is clockwise. And just remember the seal as well. If I just take this back out, I just forgot to mention the seal. So make sure you got this rubber seal is intact. If it isn't, then you've got a problem. You'll get a condensation, and then you'll have problems. That's it. Can you just switch the hazards on, please? And then let's just see if it's working. Oh, well done, mate. Well done to me. Now that's working. This here is working as well. To put it back together, it is quite simple as well. This cover here sort of slides on. So just clean this area up if you can. Get a brush or a hoover in there, and then you slide it through. You slide the bottom bit in first. So make sure you put this back on. If you don't, again, there'll be a lot of water going inside through the arch lining. And then you push. There we go. Click. Click. That's all it is on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, there's a special thanks button as well. Do click on that. The customer's going to do that as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.